As you can tell, it's another very sunny and unseasonably warm day for February. Another day it's highs in the 50s or 60s Fahrenheit. When it should be, you know, closer to freezing temperatures. But this cabinet had the big crack on this front face here. I was wondering how I was going to get that glued. But then there was a tiny crack on the back side here, and I went to slip my knife in to do the glue, and the whole piece just popped right off. So I'll be able to glue that no problem. Also, I need to do some mechanical work on the spring piece here that helps lift the machine. And the reason that the lid was broken and the hinges were bad is because there's a support lever that's supposed to extend and hold it, and that was not working. So I had to remove some things from the underside of the cabinet, and I'm starting to check for all the screws in the fittings, and there's some missing screws down here, so I'm gonna have to find the screws to replace those to, you know, mechanically rehab this cabinet so it'll be, you know, able to support the machine properly. And then this cabinet's gonna have to get probably a coat of paint, because every time I brush it there's a big cloud of dust because the finish is disintegrating, the old finish is disintegrating, and the places where the finish is worn away, the wood is not in good shape. So every time you touch it, you get dust and clouds of stuff all over, and you don't want to be sewing and have all that dust and stuff end up on your project. So I'm gonna move this cabinet and glue this today, and then yeah, we'll keep working on it in bits, and then hope that the weather getting warm means that it'll turn into painting weather unseasonably soon.